Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step outfit styling inspired by Mad Hatter in Dress to Impress. From quirky accessories to colorful layers, this outfit guide is perfect for anyone who loves a playful, fantasy-inspired look. So let's just get started to create this outfit. So first, as for the hair, I use this messy updo combined with this masculine hair, and this is the hex code that I used to create this hair. And for the skin tone, I'm using this pale skin tone and also this makeup preset. Now let's just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to just go to the this section in here, and I'm going to put on the socks, toggle it into high strip socks and change the color to soft pink color combined with this blue colors right here. And then I'm going to also put on this top in here and change all the material into matte. And for the first preview, I'm going to use this green color. Here is the hex code, and for the ruffle, I'm going to use the vest also in green color, and the ruffle I'm going to use these flower patterns, and for the buttons I'm going to also use this color in here. Then combine the top with this jacket still on the main section. Change the color to the green color and make the material in matte, so it will look the same in term of color. And I'm going to also put on this cuff, change all the material into matte and use the soft or nude color for this cuff in here. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put on this hat. For the hat, I'm going to use the flower patterns like this, and for the flower, I'm going to use this color in here, this peach or nude color. Now let's put on the shoes. So I'm going to wear this boots in here, and I'm going to change the boots color to matte first and use this color in here and a dark brown for the next. Okay, now for the shoe, I'm going to wear this jeans in here, this one, and change the color to black like this. And I'm going to put on this accessory, this one, toggle it into alt and change the color using the same patterns like the hat. And I'm going to grab this bag and use this pattern for the bag. Now you can just go to the dressing room. Here I'm going to use the ruffle from the skirt, toggle it into number 5 and remove the chains, and just change the color between a purple and also the pink color, so it will go like this. And I'm going to also put on these sleeves, just use the same green color right here, and this dress, toggle it into skirt, and first color I'm going to go with black, and the next one I'm going to use this patterns right here. So now this will be the final look for Heather in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.